welcome in once again to Fresh Off the Crypto, where we analyze the current pulse, trends, and forecasts of the crypto markets, man. It's a blessing to be back. Honestly, it's been more than 4 months, almost 5 months since my last video. It's been insane. I'm just trying to get back, to consistently upload crypto content. So let's see. I have multiple channels. I just want to continue working on this one as well. So let's dig in, guys. Last time we were talking about Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin's price was $28,459. That's insane. Almost 5 months ago, the price has doubled. 28 plus 28, like maybe 2.5x already. That is just straight insanity. That is mind-boggling to me, honestly. As you can see, not too many videos in the last couple of months, but wow, it's insane. We were talking about it heading towards 30K. That was the key resistance. You guys can go back and check out that video just for the funsies. But we've been around the block, guys, and we were saying back then, that it was a great time, to pick up and Bitcoin and things of that nature. So it's just impressive when we see it that way, guys. The fear and greed index here at extreme greed right now. That's pretty impressive. Extreme greed right now. Yesterday the same. Last week and last month was greed as well. So yeah, the markets are greedy, man. A lot of people are super excited. Crypto hasn't seen pumps like this in years. And look, making a new local high now in the fear and greed index right now. And it seems like we're going, back up to 84s in the short term, but 90s, into the 90s and 95s in the next month, before maybe that retracement into the halving hype. Who knows, man? It's all speculation. ETF surges here, basically, but it really doesn't matter. The fundamental is all about the charts that we'll get into in just a bit. But in the meantime, like I said, Bitcoin here at around 68,000. It's up a whopping $40,000 since the last time we made a video. Insanity. Up 0.64% in the last hour, but up 8.45% in the last 24 hours, and it continues to pump into oblivion. We're gonna look into the charts in a bit, but up 24 to 25% in just the last week, with a $1.3 trillion market cap. Insanity. Volume in the $67 billion right there. But let's dig in. I'm super excited. Again, before we look at the charts, just look at this. Look at this spike. Look at this spike. What is going on, man? Like, this chart looks unreal, if you ask me, man. I'm super excited at 68,200. All-time high was like 69,000. We're going to check here in just a bit. I'm super excited. Look at that volume, up 160% in just 24 hours. Insanity. Market cap up 8.50%. Supply is thin, as we always know. And wow, it's amazing. It's amazing to see this massive spike from Bitcoin, and it's been quick in the last 3 to 4 months, since the last time we made a video. It's just been going parabolic, guys. Just straight insanity, if you ask me. Now let's dig into the charts. Literally, look, as we speak, as we record this video, Bitcoin is attempting to touch the previous all-time high of $69,402. Guys, if that breaks and we hold it for the next couple of days, to the next maybe week or two, it's a wrap. I mean, the indicators are starting to, stretching out too thin, obviously. As we can see here. Yes, in the past we've had higher levels at around 90s, even let's see. At one point at the beginning, early stages of Bitcoin, we went to 94. That's about it. We're already up here, man. Usually after we're up here, we see a retracement in the RSI, back to the trend. Honestly, and if we draw this is what we expect. We expect maybe to revisit this in the next couple of months. If we stretch this out like this, where maybe, we're up here and stuff, then we come down and then we retouch, boom. That'll be, maybe into the summer right now. And then after that, I think we get our next leg up into our cycle all-time high. So that's what we're looking for out here at the Fresh Off the Press community. That's what we're keeping an eye out for, because right now this thing is just going parabolic. It's going parabolic. I mean, it's crazy. The indicators are saying that we're overbought right now, but the price just doesn't care. Again, we're just looking maybe possible divergence anywhere from the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. We might still have a bullish month. We'll see. I won't monitor this, but as we speak, we're attempting to get to the previous all-time high, just a tiny percentage away right there, and then eventually pierce it into a new all-time high, man. Crazy times right now. Insane what's going on with the crypto markets. I'm super excited. On the weekly, same deal on the weekly. Overbought 88 on the weekly. That is just straight insanity right now. Still no cross on the stochastic RSI. Still think we got some room. I still think we have some room for this to go to pierce the all-time high into a new all-time high in the next couple of weeks based on the weekly. And on the monthly, same deal. We're here at 100 right now, but we can remain here for a couple of weeks, a month, so we'll see how it pans out. But on the monthly, you know, we pierced this key resistance right here, and who knows, man. So again, the markets are pumping, man. People are excited. Look at this monthly candle. We've never closed with a monthly candle, you know, up here above what, like 62,000. So right now things are looking good, man. Markets are pumping. People are excited, man. Hopefully you guys are too. You know, just control your emotions. It's okay. We're going to continue to monitor the charts, but in the meantime, we get to live well, man. It's been a while. It's been multiple months and multiple years, and it's about that time that we enjoy, you know, our bull market. Man, I'm excited, guys. Man, if you still made it this far out into the video, you guys are the straight MVPs. Thank you so much for your time, your support, your attention. Stay fresh.